Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. A couple notes before we get started. There's a link to my SQLite database and our code in the description below. Don't forget to click the red X on the bottom on the lower right hand corner of the screen to subscribe. And don't forget to share the Caribou Data Science challenge with one of your friends this week. A big shout out to all the 17 people who have already subscribed to the Caribou Data Science challenge. So let's get back into that first. Let's verify my database is correctly updated. Then we quickly move on to the data reports. Okay, so country data is correct. County data. This is European Center for Disease Prevention and Control is updated. And let's see some here. Okay, and this is updated also. All right, so let's just jump into our daily reports here then. Start from the top and working our way down. Let's start with Spain. Let's get this out of the way. Let's do this. 21. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and load some data, or load the library. Load some data. Pull out the U.S. data. Pull out the Spanish. So let's go ahead and do the initial plots for Spain. Okay. COVID-19 daily report. You can see that it did decline, although it does appear to be falling here a little bit. If that is the case, that's very good news. But anyway, it's, of course, the red is a 14-day moving average. It's interesting, I think, how it starts out below the daily line and then crosses over back, and here it goes above the daily line. Kind of interesting. Okay. We got next. Deaths. Back in June, there's a spike, but you can see very little activity up to here. And over here, there is some more cases. You can see maybe 150 cases over through here. Interesting. Let's take a look at the current spike. Once again, climbing, climbing, climbing. A slight decrease here. Most of the deaths for the April 1st, you can see again, there's 3-4 weeks here. There has been some activity. Maybe this is about maybe as much as 100 deaths. This one date here, 50 deaths here maybe. It's kind of hard to say. Let's take a look at some monthly numbers now, or weekly numbers. Take a look at weekly cases. Here's the weekly cases. You can see that we've already surpassed. Well, it's one day to go. We've already surpassed the previous week's cases. So you can see that the cases are definitely trending upwards right now. Deaths, weekly deaths, 200 deaths so far this week. This surpasses both of these two here. Death range, estimated lives saved based on the declining. This obviously can't be correct because we didn't save 15 million let's just get rid of this here. Let's just get rid of that. That's probably isn't a very good thing. Okay, so we got here now monthly death rate and dates and cases. Do the plot here. Do this here. Cases per month, you can see that August has really surpassed July. Deaths have passed, well, they have not caught June, apparently. They have caught about 7, have already surpassed July. August has surpassed July's numbers. Monthly death rate, 0.12% over here, 2%. Estimated lives saved. Average number of cases by week. Average number of deaths by week. Monthly average number of cases by month. So August was already about 5,000 cases per month. And deaths may not catch June, but it's still way past July. Okay. So that takes care of Spain. Spain's situation is still not good as far as cases, but I would say deaths are not really keeping up with cases, which is probably something that's being overlooked by the powers that be. Now, all I got to do is just update the website. Okay, so we hope to successfully updated the website. So that concludes the report for Spain for August 21st, 2020. Again, I appreciate if you would click on that red subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and also like and share the video. That'd be